cell cycle and cell division. What is cell cycle? The cell cycle is an ordered series of events involving cell growth and cell division that produces two new daughter cells, or the period between one cell dividing into two cells is known as cell cycle. Why cell division happens? Cell division happens for growth. Organisms grow because cells are dividing to produce more and more cells. And another reason for the cell division is to replace old, dead, or damaged cells. Phases of cell cycle. The cell cycle is four-stage processes consisting of first gap phase G1, synthesis of DNA S phase, second gap phase G2, M mitosis. First gap phase G1, the cell grow in size and volume. This is usually the longest phase and most variable in cell's length. Synthesis of DNA S phase. DNA is present in chromosomes. The chromosomes replicate, forming two identical copies of DNA. G2, second gap phase. There is further growth and preparation for the cell division. M mitosis. The process of cell division is known as mitosis. The stages in cell cycle G1, S, G2 are collectively known as interphase. After completing the cell cycle, either start from G1 or exits the cycle through G0. The G0 phase are non-replicating and can either be there temporarily or permanently due to aging or deterioration. Types of cell division. There are two types of cell division. First, mitosis. The process used to make exact replicas of themselves. It observed in almost all the body cells. Cells with nuclei have 46 chromosomes and divide by mitosis, a process that results in two new genetically identical daughter cells. Meiosis, the process used to make four unique daughter cells. Cells with nuclei have 23 chromosomes and divide by meiosis. Meiosis is a process where a single cell divides twice to produce four cells containing half of the original amount of genetic information. These cells are our sex cells. Sperm in male, that is spermatozoa, and egg in female, that is ova. Mitosis. This is a continuous process involving four distinct stages visible by light microscope. The first stage is prophase, second metaphase, third anaphase, fourth telophase. First stage, prophase. Chromosomes doubled to 92 forms sister chromatids. A chromatid is one copy of newly copied chromosomes which is still joined to the original chromosomes. In prophase, nuclear envelope dissolved. Metaphase. A chromatids align on the center of the spindles. Third stage, anaphase. The chromatid, that is a pair of sister chromatids, move to each end of the spindle by the mitotic spindle contraction. Fourth stage, telophase. Mitotic splinter disappeared and the nuclear envelope preformed. Following telophase, cytokinesis occur. In the cytokinesis process, the division into two daughter cells is completed. Meiosis. As mitosis, meiosis have four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These stages occur twice in meiosis. In meiosis, single cell divides to form two daughter cells and each two daughter cells divides to four granddaughter cells.